In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Halifax. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Halifax parking tickets page on the official Halifax website. Once the page loads, take a moment to read through the information provided about how to pay a parking ticket. This is helpful because it gives you the official instructions, explains your payment options, and can help you avoid mistakes before moving forward. As you review the page, pay close attention to the reminder to pay your ticket before the court date. That's important because deadlines can affect what options are available to you. If you're planning to pay online, it's always a good idea to have your ticket with you before you begin, so you can quickly enter the correct details. Next, look for the online payment section on the page. Under the option to pay online, click the payment link that takes you to the Halifax parking ticket payment portal. When you select that link, a new tab will open. This is normal, so if you don't see it right away, check your browser tabs. In the new tab, you'll arrive at the payment portal. From here, click on Pay Ticket to begin the search process. The site will then prompt you to enter your ticket information. First, enter your ticket number in the appropriate field. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears on your ticket to avoid any search errors. After entering the ticket number, continue by confirming or re-entering the ticket number if requested on the page. This step helps ensure the system is searching for the correct violation. Once that's done, click Search. The portal may also give you another way to look up your ticket, such as by plate number or VIN. If needed, select the plate number or VIN option, and then click Search again to locate the ticket using your vehicle information instead. After the system finds your ticket, review the details carefully to make sure everything matches your notice. This is a good moment to double check that you're paying the correct ticket and amount. From there, simply follow out the prompts on the screen to proceed to payment and complete the process. As a final tip, once your payment is submitted, keep a copy of your confirmation page or receipt for your records. That way you'll have proof of payment if you ever need it later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Halifax.